All right, guys, welcome back to more. We last left off, we were definitely on the struggle bus. We were on the front seat of the struggle bus. Uh, in this rain, it looks like we're gonna be qualifying in dry, so that's good. This is gonna be crazy. This is gonna be crazy. I think that this race. I think that this race will determine a lot. I think this race will determine a lot. This is definitely nerve-wracking. All right, guys, here we go. Qualifying. Here we go. Here we go. All right, guys. Qualifying. All right, let's see how this goes. Here we go, boys. Qualifying. Have not been able to practice on a dry course. All right, let's do it. All right, hard brake. First gear. All right, come on. And then we're gonna get probably one more lap after this. That might have been a little bit wide for my liking. All right, a 134. We're provisional pole right now. We are provisional pole right now. Let's see if we can get a faster time. We can make it up somewhere, I bet. All right, guys, that's 134.7. So we have pole. Am I gonna get one more lap after this? Oh my God, I'm gonna get one more lap. I'm not gonna lie. Ah, that sucks. We missed out on pole by that much. By six, dude. Ah, that's so frustrating. In the rain. This race is not going to be easy. It's not even going to be about... It won't even be about me versus them. It'll be about me versus me in the rain. That's what it's going to be about. Let's just get a good start. We're going to play it safe. P2. P2, P2. That almost looks like my Ferrari a little bit. That's a nice Porsche. All right, guys. So we're gonna start with our traction control on 2. Okay. So 3 clicks down. All right, here we go. All right, so some people are already crashing out, so we just gotta last with this guy in first. I'm not gonna lie, guys, this is hard. I should have started on a higher one. It's all right. All right, we're gonna stick with it. When I tell you guys, like, the word locked in doesn't even do justice for what I'm trying to do right now. And I say that as I go off. The guy behind me is 10 seconds behind me. It's gonna be all up to... So what it's gonna be now, this is gonna be up to pit strategy. That's all it's gonna be now is pit strategy. If I can have a better pit strategy, and right now I'm planning on pitting around Ooh. Right now, I'm planning on pitting around lap 12. I don't know if 10 will be a good... Oh, it's raining again. Guys, it's raining again. Oh, he crashed. We don't want to end up like him. No! Oh my God, I don't know how I saved that. I don't know how I saved that. I don't know how I saved that. I can tell you one thing. Not braking is definitely... Oh my God, I don't even know how I saved that. He was on a wet tire. Wow. Come on. Come on. You just gotta, all I gotta do is stay focused. Okay. We are halfway, just about halfway done. See, it gets really, really dry here. Now, though. Like, he went off. Okay. The soft. That's a gamble. I don't know about the soft. So important to stay on that dry line, man. Cause come on, don't. All right, turn around. Turn around. Come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on. And that guy's right behind me. All right. Now we're racing this guy. Jeez, I can't believe I messed up like that. Well, things just got a lot more interesting. I cannot stay on the road. I don't know why I can't stay on the road. I'm raising my traction control then. I gave away my podium, guys. Dude, I wish you guys knew what that felt like, bro. Like when you're about to lose it, that is no joke. He's sweating. Look at him sweating. I'll take my place back though. All right, come on. This is you. This is your place. Oh, he's been on intermediates the whole time. Oh my God. He was never even a competition. I'm secured then. I was just ahead by a lot. He could come out and set the fastest lap though. He could take that from me. We'll see though. Come on. Look how smooth that was. Oh, I love this fucking sport. I'm gaining on him too. Not enough to pass him, I don't think. But just enough, I think, to steal away the fastest lap. No, it's not. We were there though. Let's give it a little bit more of a push. Let's keep going. All right, last lap of the race. Ooh. We almost got too greedy there. Let's just send it home. Let's just send it home. Let's just send it home. Finish with another podium and get focused on the next week. There's no way. Oh, we almost had him. We almost had him in for a position. He's sweating. All right, guys. That was good. So we got a podium out of that. So we are still on our podium streak of third place. Oh my God, you get third place so much. Now you want to start climbing a little bit. But we got our podium. Oh man. What a great race though. Like, talk about you versus you the entire time of the race. That's what that is. Nobody else. It's just a real test of like you and your control and your throttle control and your brake control. There's a couple of those I really lost it. I had two great saves and one just complete spin out. Yes, sir. This is the rain. It's the rain. It's the rain. All right, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. When we see you guys next time, it will be on maybe, I think Canada comes out soon. But I appreciate you guys so much for watching. Keep on keeping on and keep on this journey of watching me become the fastest one-legged man on YouTube. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace.